Today I am making my Lisa Frank inspired soap. I have made a ton of embeds in neon colors, the neon rainbow, that all remind me of Lisa Frank. There's an image inspiration which I don't have with me, but I will put in a little corner of the screen so you can see it. But I am so excited. I really hope the soap turns out cute. This is my bubblegum machine. I have the roller skate, and then I have little shapes, all of these in the same neon colors, and I'm going to do a white base and then embed all these in. So I have heart, I have a music note, I also have, I don't know if you can see, the green are mini hearts, the purple is a little butterfly, and then a soft serve ice cream. So those are the shapes that are gonna get embedded in, and I hope it kind of all looks like a crazy splash of color Lisa Frank design. So hopefully. I went back and forth with a million different scents trying to figure out what to scent this, and I couldn't, like the ones I wanted to scent it with, the fragrance discolored in some way, and I did not want it to discolor. Like I didn't want it to morph in any way. So I'm gonna go with, so I have enough embeds to make 2 batches, or 2 loaves I should say. So I'm gonna do 1 loaf in iced pineapple from Nature Gardens because I love the scent, and one of these bars is gonna be for me, and the other in strawberry patch. So hopefully that will appeal to a number of people, and these fragrances don't accelerate and they don't really discolor. Like the pineapple is a cream, but when I put enough white in titanium dioxide, it shouldn't be an issue. So that's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and prep the oils and then come back and start making the soap. I really hope it turns out cute. Well, things did not place the way I wanted them to. So, the skate turned, the heart went upside down, this one floated up. Oh, the butterfly should have been down there. Like, I know, everything moves when you place stuff. Also, the bubblegum machine I wanted to be up just a little bit, like not touching the ground, the bottom of the soap. It's okay. It's still cute. Oh look, I had an ice cream in this one. That one went totally sideways. Oh boy. Well, it's a collage of Lisa Frank color and items. Stupid ice cream. Come on. Like, really? I can't win sometimes. Let's see what this end was like. Yeah, and guess what? The skate is even more sideways. My music note is crazy. The ice cream is still crazy. But look, hey, look, that heart is where it's supposed to be. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. This is a little nutty. Like, it's cool. It's fine. It's still invokes Lisa Frank theme. But I wish the items were placed better. My sideways roller skate and the music notes right on it, so you gets a little lost. Oh. Well, there's batch one. I mean, look at that. You can see my hand underneath. Got some transparency in the gumball machine. That's kind of cool.